Hi, I'm Ben Young, Head of Fraud Prevention at Westpac. We are committed to protecting our customers from scammers, and we want to ensure all Australians are on high alert for scam activity. We know scammers don't care about your age, income, or where you live. Anyone can be a target, so it's important to be vigilant. I'm proud to say Westpac has developed a number of tools to protect its customers, and we are seeing fewer customers fall victim to scammers every day. From Safer Pay to Verify to Dynamic CBC, and later this year, Safe Call, we're focused on protecting our customers and their money. We've also developed a digital education resource to help people spot scams and know what to do if they have been scammed. It's a short watch, so please stay tuned. Alex found a high interest rate on a term deposit for a well-known bank brand on a social media comparison site. He would need to transfer the money to a trust account with a different bank. He decided to go to his local bank branch and make a transfer of $480,000. This is an investment scam. Red flags include Alex found the opportunity via social media, the interest rate was notably higher than the competitors, and the money was sent to a different institution than the one holding the term deposit. Danny was on her laptop and received a pop-up saying that her device's security had been breached. Danny called the number on the pop-up and followed instructions to download software on her device so tech support could be provided. Still on the line, she then provided secure codes to who she thought was tech support, who then gained access to her online bank account and transferred $380,000 of her savings out of her account. This is a remote access scam. Red flags include Danny receiving unsolicited contact via the pop-up, instructions to download software that enables remote access, and requests for her security codes. Mary met John on Facebook and quickly started chatting on WhatsApp. John lives overseas, so they never met face to face. After 6 months of getting to know each other, John was involved in a serious accident. He asked Mary for money to help cover his costs and coached her to lie to her bank about why she was transferring $300,000 of her money overseas. This is a romance scam. Red flags include moving the conversation quickly to a chat app, never meeting face to face, having an urgent and elaborate reason to need money, and being directed to lie to the bank about the purpose of the transfer of money. Now, Bailey has met someone online. They've been chatting for a year and a half, but have never met in person. Bailey's online friend spoke to him about the benefits of crypto investing, and Bailey agreed to invest. But after investing some of his savings, he was required to pay more money to withdraw his investment, and he was told he couldn't access his investment earnings without the additional investment. Bailey was also told that when he visited his local bank branch to transfer $450,000, to lie about the purpose of the transfer. This is romance baiting. Red flags include being asked to invest in crypto and requiring payment money to release investment earnings. Westpac personal banker Marlena Karbowski sensed something was not right when a customer came into her Liverpool branch with a request to cancel her home insurance. Marlena took the time to investigate the matter, listened to the customer's explanation, and acted when she realised it was a scam, helping prevent a customer from losing around $2 million to a criminal.
To be honest, probably a few years back I wouldn't ask that many questions, but my dad was a victim of scam. He gave all of his life saving to scammers. So helping to stop one of those scammers, even if it's $1,000, it's a big thing for me. I don't want anyone to be a victim.
So now that you can spot some scam red flags, here are some additional ways to protect yourself from scammers. When asked for money, pause and check if you think the request is genuine. Keep your security software up to date on all your devices. Keep your banking and personal information secure and never share your security codes and passwords. Use unique passwords for all your online accounts. You should never need to transfer your money to keep it safe or purchase unusual currency. Always be open with your bank about your transactions, as they can help spot a scam. Visit your bank's security page regularly to keep updated on the latest scams. Always access your banking via your app or publicly sourced website, and call your bank from a publicly sourced number. Never give anyone remote access to your device. Do not pay for items on social media sites until you have received the item. If you believe you are dealing with a well-known firm, go to their website directly to begin your journey. Don't just click from a link. It may be a spoofed site. If you're dealing with a relatively unknown brand, do some Googling of the company name, particularly with the word scam after it. And check out their Who Is page. This can tell you a lot about a website and who owns it. If someone calls you unexpectedly saying they are from the government, the police, your bank, or any other institution, take their name, your reference number, and then hang up and call back on a number you have sourced yourself. Talk to your family about what you are doing with your money and take an interest in others. They might need a sounding board more than they think. And always report a scam. If you think you have been scammed, immediately report it to your bank. Listed here are some other sites to report a scam to help fight scammers and protect others. Be open with your family and friends. By sharing your scam story, you may find that you can stop a scam. Linked here are additional education resources, including our own Westpac security site.